Well, you can't hardly get that in the shot. Hello, friends. Today, we are working on a 2009 Ford Expedition. Just going to get it cleaned up on the interior. It's not in the best of shape, but it's not filthy by any means. The seats are in relatively good shape up front. The back needs a little bit of cleaning, which is typical when the wheelchair is in and out. And I haven't done this one in quite a few months. I'm gonna say 4 or 5 months. We didn't really do this throughout the winter time. It is a balmy 45 degrees today. Mother Nature, in her crackhead ways, she is not interested in getting the hell out of here. She's decided she is going to stick around because she can. Like I said, it won't take that much to get this cleaned up. These back seats I'll probably have to do something with. Now we are inside, and because it's nice and chilly, I can't open the back door right now. That's fine. I will open that when we are almost done, when that's the last thing to do. Alrighty, so let's take a look at the inside before I do the floor mats so that you can see. Oh, that I do have most everything clean, like I said, except the floor mats. I have the light on, sorry about that. The floodlight. These carpets are in really good shape. And remember, this is the vehicle with the lights that have an issue. Don't know why. It's not my job to figure it out. The interior ceramic is on this vehicle. And it's still doing really good. I only had a little bit left, so I topped off these seats. And I think I'm going to tell my dad to go with this. It is the DIY detail interior ceramic, and if they keep this vehicle, I want them to get another bottle. I want to maintain it as well as possible. It's already stained up, so we just want to make sure it doesn't get any worse. I guess is the best way to describe that. And I got the back cleaned up. I did the door jambs back there as well. What I've been using is quick beads, and I'm loving it. The quick beads has been making really good work of getting those door jambs clean and keeping them clean. Let's turn on some light for that so you can see. So let's do the floor mats, and then I think I'm going to go ahead and take the time and do a rinseless. The only thing I did not do was work on this front end, but that's because I didn't have enough water. But that's okay. I can always do that when we get home. But it did get a rinseless. I haven't done a rinseless on this one in a while. Got those wheels looking much better. It's looking good. Another day is in the books. The expedition is done, and I am gonna go home. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.